Peacocks, nature's vibrant beauty and cultural significance. Peacocks are renowned for their stunning iridescent plumage, captivating everyone who sees them. Their elegant feather displays symbolize beauty, pride, and immortality across various cultures. Peacocks thrive in diverse habitats, from forests to grasslands, playing vital roles in ecosystems. These magnificent birds are known for their unique courtship dances, showcasing their vibrant feathers. Preserving peacocks and their habitats is crucial for maintaining biodiversity and nature's beauty. Join us in celebrating and protecting these magnificent creatures.